Hello friends. So in this video I will show you the next part of NLTK, that is examine text using NLTK. Now what is text? You know very well. That is the data present in your collections, and we are examining those text using NLTK module. Now see, these are some functions which we will use to examine our text. So first one is your concordance, second is similar, and third one is common context. Now what are the use of these methods, these functions? So concordance function is a concordance view shows us every occurrence of a given word together with some context. So it will show you every occurrence of a given word. So if you are passing any word as an argument in that function, then it will show you the each occurrence of that word, and it will show you some context also, that how that word is related to another sentence. Okay, next one is similar. So it will show you what other words appear in a similar range of context. So it will show you the relationship of that word with other words. Okay, you are passing a particular word as an argument, and that function will show you the relationship of that word with other another words, okay, which are appearing in similar range of context. Okay, next is your common context. So it will examine the context that are shared by two or more words. So it will examine the context that are shared by two or more words. So if you are passing multiple words in the form of arguments to that function, and it will examine the context which is shared between these words. Okay, now I will show you these methods practically using Python language, and then you will come to know that how these methods you can use in your own programs. Okay, so let's see it. Okay, so your first function was concordance function, and now I'm showing you how we will use that function. So first step was your import your NLTK module, and then you have to import your book collection by using that command from nltk.book import star. Now what you have to do is you have to just apply those function on these text. Now write here text1 dot concordance, and just write any word here as in the form of argument. So I am just writing here monstrous, and now see, just press enter, and it is displaying different occurrence of that word, because the concordance function is used to represent each occurrence of a given word, and that's why it is showing here different monstrous word present in that text, and also it is showing some context related to that word. So that's why this is your concordance function. Now just now next function was your similar function. So I'm just writing here text1 dot similar, and just write here again monstrous. Press enter. Now what it will show? It will show you other words appear in a similar range of context. So these are some other words which are appearing in same range of context as your word monstrous. Okay, so this is the similar function which is used for that purpose. Next is common context, which is for examining the context that is shared by two or more words. So I'm using here two words. Just write here, let I'm taking text2 dot common context, and then just write in the form of argument. We have to write here two words, so that's why I'm writing here monstrous and very. Okay, and what it will print? It is printing some words: be glad, is pretty, a lucky, am glad, a pretty. So there, what are these words? These are those words which are shared between these two words, which are sharing a common context between these two words. Okay, so these were the example for the three function which I have explained, and you can examine text using these three functions. So just try these in your own data, on your own collection. Okay, so thank you.